What's up everybody? Steve here from Speed Kings. Today we're gonna go over the Biltwell Lane Splitter helmet. We've been running this helmet since its early testing stages. Thank you, Biltwell. And we really enjoy it. It's a nice, comfortable helmet. The liner's nice and soft. It's got a really good aggressive look to it. It's DOT and ECE certified. So these things are super safe. It's available in many different colors, matte finishes, gloss finishes, very nice helmet. Just all around great buy for 250 bucks. You can't beat this. They have some really cool features to this helmet that I'm really stoked on. One is the liner's replaceable. So if you get it all scummy and dirty and you're ready for a new one from just rocking and rolling way too much, boom, new helmet liner. One of my favorite features is this little guard right here for your chin. Recently, my beard was really fucking long. Not really fucking long, but long enough. And in the wind, it would push my beard up inside my helmet and tickle my nose. If you've ever had that happen to you while riding, it's the most fucking annoying thing that can probably happen next to riding behind a horse trailer. So this thing right here saved my beard from tickling my nose. You can't enjoy a ride when you're constantly like, trying to get that shit out of your face. Another cool feature new to the Lane Splitter helmet from Biltwell is the way the shield snaps and its locked in features. So it has a few different positions where you can feel it kind of lock into place and it'll stay there. It also has this nice snap ring right here with a nice little lever to boom, just pop it back into place. It's got a lot of venting, it feels good, it's light. That's one of my favorite things about all the Biltwell helmets. And I enjoy wearing a light helmet. They come out of the box with the clear shield. They have many other shields available though, from smoked, yellow, chrome mirror, gold mirror, gradient, red gradient, all sorts of really cool shields that kind of customize the helmet to you and how you like to look or see out of it. They also have all this cool hardware, different color hardware packs, red, blue, gold, silver. However you want to make this helmet look and match your bike or just match your personality, they have it there for you. Check them out, man. You're gonna dig this helmet. speed-kingcycle.com, grab yours. So as we said earlier, out of the box, it comes with a clear shield. So on this particular one, we're gonna go ahead and swap out the shield for one of their gold mirrored shields. And while we're at it, we're gonna throw on some gold hardware. We're gonna start by removing the screws on both sides here. Get the shield off. So I'm just gonna tip it on its side like that. You'll notice that it's a Phillips screwdriver head. Because it's such a big pattern, I've noticed that a flathead screwdriver actually works better with this hardware. So I always use just a nice flathead screwdriver. Flip it over, do the same to the other side, and we'll pop this clear shield right off. Now what you'll have come off sometimes with the shield is the inner cam lock hardware. So the important part about this inner cam lock piece right here is this little peg. You can see that peg is on both sides. With that little hole right there in the peg, you just drop it right into place. And that's gonna hold that in position to make it work with the cam lock system properly. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna put our little cam lock plate into position, and I'm gonna count the indents here and put it on the second one. You see where that little nub goes in the indent? I'm gonna do that the same on both sides. That way they're in the same position already when we put the shield on. Next, we're gonna take our shield and just line up our hole right there with our peg right there. We're gonna grab our new gold trim ring, put that into place. Then we're gonna grab our new gold screw, already with Loctite on it from Biltwell. Thank you guys. Grab our flathead screwdriver. Give it a nice little tighten. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side. Tighten it up, boop. She's good to go. So that's it for this install video and review on this great Lane Splitter helmet. We love these things and we hope you'll enjoy it too. You can grab yours today, speed-kingcycle.com.